Welcome to Lienz, a place where Austria's breathtaking Alps meet centuries of history, culture, and charm. Often overlooked for the likes of Salzburg or Innsbruck, Lienz is the hidden gem you didn't know you were missing. Hey travelers, today we're diving into one of Austria's best-kept secrets. Get ready to explore cobbled streets, medieval castles, alpine adventures, and mouth-watering local treats. Let's go! Lienz sits in the heart of East Tyrol, cradled between two mountain ranges, the Hohe Tauern to the north and the Dolomites to the south. It's small, home to just about 12,000 people, but packed with personality. With over 2,000 hours of sunshine a year, Lienz is also nicknamed the Sun Town of Austria. It's the perfect year-round destination for nature lovers, history buffs, or anyone craving an authentic Austrian experience. Perched majestically on a hill overlooking the town, this is Schloss Bruck. Its formidable stone walls and towering keep have stood guard over Lienz since the 13th century. This was once the formidable seat of the powerful Counts of Gorizia, rulers who shaped the destiny of this entire region for centuries. Walking through its gates feels like stepping back in time, a journey from a medieval fortress to a cultural treasure. Today, the castle has been reborn as the Museum of the City of Lienz, a place where the rich tapestry of regional art and history is carefully preserved. And for those with a head for heights, the climb up the main tower is an absolute must. The panoramic view from the keep is simply breathtaking, and totally worth every single step. Inside, the castle's ancient stone walls provide a dramatic backdrop for an extraordinary collection of art. The museum's crown jewel is its extensive exhibition dedicated to Alban Egger Lienz, one of Austria's most important modern painters. Born right here in East Tyrol, Egger Lienz captured the soul of his homeland with a raw, unflinching honesty. His work is powerful, defined by monumental figures and a deep, earthy color palette. You'll see his profound connection to the land in his depictions of rural life, scenes of hardworking peasants and solemn family moments. But he was also a war painter, and his canvases convey the brutal, emotional toll of conflict with a haunting intensity that stays with you. From the medieval might of its architecture to the profound emotion captured in its art, Schloss Bruck offers a complete immersion into the region's identity. It's a place where history isn't just something you read about, it's something you feel in the cold stone beneath your fingertips and see in the sweeping vistas from the tower. It's more than just a castle, it's a portal to the very soul of East Tyrol. Now, if you're craving adventure, Lienz has you covered. In summer, the region becomes a vast natural playground. For hikers, an endless network of trails awaits, from gentle riverside strolls to challenging ascents into the Hohe Tauern National Park. Mountain bikers are equally spoiled, with family-friendly paths and thrilling single-track descents. For a true bird's-eye view, you can even take to the skies, paragliding over a patchwork of green meadows. The most incredible thing is the proximity. You can go from sipping a cappuccino in the main square to standing on a mountaintop in less than an hour. There's no long journey separating town life from the wild. It's an immediate, spontaneous connection. That feeling of freedom, of being able to just step out of the everyday and into this grandeur, it's something really special here. In winter, the town transforms into a snowy wonderland. A quiet blanket of snow settles over the streets and surrounding forests. The two local ski areas offer distinct experiences. Zetersfeld is the town's sun terrace, with wide, gentle slopes perfect for families. For more of a challenge, Hochstein offers demanding runs, including a World Cup course. Both provide stunning slopes without the overwhelming crowds. Beyond skiing, find tranquility snowshoeing through silent woods, or embrace the festive spirit at the Christmas market. Whether you're chasing adrenaline or just peace and quiet, the nature around Lienz is unforgettable. The same mountains that offer heart-pounding descents also hold silent valleys for quiet contemplation. The jagged peaks of the Dolomites are a constant, awe-inspiring presence, their characters shifting with the light of the day. Watching the fiery alpenglow paint the rock faces at sunset is a moment of pure magic. This landscape offers both exhilaration and serenity, leaving you with memories that last a lifetime. You can't really explore a place without tasting it, right? Lienz's food scene is small but mighty, and very local. Try Kaiserschmarrn, a shredded pancake served with fruit compote. Or sample Schlipfkrapfen, East Tyrolean stuffed pasta, like ravioli's alpine cousin. And don't skip the schnapps, made from mountain fruits. It's how the locals say cheers. What really sets Lienz apart is its vibe, relaxed, friendly, and full of tiny surprises. Duck into a local artisan shop, chat with a cheesemaker, or just enjoy coffee while the world slows down. You won't find fast food chains or selfie stick crowds here. Just real people, real stories, and a town that welcomes you like family. Now that you're inspired, let's talk practical tips. Getting to Lienz is refreshingly simple, and the journey is an experience in itself. The best way to arrive is by train. Forget the stress of a rental car and mountain roads. Instead, picture yourself gliding through the Austrian Alps on a comfortable OBB train. From Innsbruck or Salzburg, the trip is about 2 to 3 hours, but you'll be so captivated by the scenery it will fly by. The route winds through dramatic valleys, alongside turquoise rivers and past charming villages. It's the perfect introduction to the beauty of East Tyrol. For your stay, I highly recommend choosing a traditional Gasthof or guest house for that authentic alpine feel. These are often family-run, offering a warmth and personal touch you won't find in a larger hotel. Imagine waking up in a cozy, wood-paneled room, then heading down to a hearty Tyrolean breakfast, which is often included. We're talking fresh bread, local cheeses, and homemade jams, the perfect fuel for a day of exploring. Your hosts are also a fantastic source for insider tips. While English is widely understood, learning a few German phrases is a wonderful way to connect with locals. A friendly Guten Tag, good day, a Danke schön, thank you, or a Bitte, please, is always appreciated. It's a small gesture that shows respect and can lead to warmer interactions. As for when to visit, Lienz is spectacular in the shoulder seasons. Late spring in May and June offers lush green valleys and blooming wildflowers. Early autumn through September and October brings crisp air and stunning fall colors. The best part? You'll experience this beauty with far fewer tourists than in the peak summer months, giving you a more peaceful and intimate visit. So whether you're an adventurer chasing mountain peaks, a history buff drawn to ancient castles, a foodie eager to taste the local flavors, or simply someone seeking peace of mind, Lienz delivers. It's a destination that proves the best things come in small packages. Its nickname, the Sun Town, isn't just about the weather. It's a warmth that radiates from the landscape and its people. It's a place to disconnect from the noise and reconnect with what matters, full of wonderful surprises around every corner. It's been a true pleasure sharing this hidden gem with you. If you enjoyed this journey to Lienz, please let us know by giving this video a like. And if you want to join us on more off-the-beaten-path adventures, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. We love building this community of curious travelers. Have you been to Lienz, or do you have a favorite alpine town we should know about? Share your stories in the comments below. Thanks for exploring with me. Until our next adventure, see you next time.